Hi friends, welcome to another tutorial. Today we are going to see how to change the taskbar position on your PC. First, right click on the taskbar and uncheck this lock the taskbar. Now, if you drag the taskbar to any position, it will change to the side, top and to anywhere. To do this, first click on the taskbar and drag to any position that we want. To the left, to the bottom, to the right and to the top. Like this we can change the taskbar position. We can get access to the apps normally by clicking on the app icons on the taskbar and we can minimize them. In order to enjoy the full screen on our desktop, we have to hide this taskbar when it is not in use. For this, first right click on this taskbar and go to this taskbar settings. Now there is an option called automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. Turn it on. That's it. Now the taskbar is hidden and we are in the full screen mode. If you need this, just hover the cursor to the top or where the taskbar present on your desktop. That's it friends. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment below and don't forget to subscribe our channel.